Are you an empathetic person or you are a calm or composed? Do you have a visionary instinct? So, in this lesson today, we are going to learn about person and their personality. Hello, my name is Shilpi and welcome to Edify. There are different type of personality we see in our day-to-day life, from politicians to Bollywood actors and actresses. So, note we are going to start our vocab session, and our first word is outspoken. Who is outspoken? The person who is unafraid of or showing their views in public. They are said outspoken, and they don't have any fear about saying anything, and mostly these are controversial. Like outspoken, we have example of Kangna Ranaut. You have listened her interviews and her different platforms. She keeps sharing. Outspoken, you can also say from politics, Arvind Kejriwal. He's a person, uh, he never afraid showing his opinion and views in the public. Let's come towards the orator. Who is the orator? A personality like our PM Narendra Modi. Oratory is the art or skill of communication with which you can impress others, and you can influence others to do something in your favor, or let's say in any social cause. Narendra Modi, for him, oratory is like one of his important pillar in his successful journey in politics. Next is introvert. Then introvert, who are the introvert? The person who have less words, shy person, but they try to be reserved in themselves. The persons like late Dr. Manmohan Singh. He is a personality with introvert personality he has, and also A.R. Rahman. These persons have lot of knowledge, they can say a lot of things, but they appears in public most of the time introvert. Manmohan Singh is also said to be a man of few words, and you have heard his during I remember during the time of Notbandi, he given a statement, very brief statement, like organized loot and legalized plundering, he said, the note ban. And this is the only line he said about the whole situation, apart from saying any long speech. That personality is introvert. They often appears reserved and don't gives long kind of speech. What are the visionary? The leaders that are visionary means they see future terms and trend, what is going to be happen in future. Like the B.R. Ambedkar, he has written our the constitution in the way what it can happen in future, what are the situations of the future. That is called visionary person. What are the analytical and the critical thinkers? The person having the ability to analyze the fact and scientific terms, that these are called the analytical and the critical thinkers. They rely on the data and the scientific facts, like the APJ Abdul Kalam and Amrit Sen. They you have seen, like when he's president, they he don't use any political gimmick or political rhetorics for his speech. He always talk on the facts, and that shows his analytical thinking and the critical thinking to analyze any matter. What is the aggressive attitude? Aggressive attitude, the person who is very much aggressive towards his goal. That's not a negative word. That's not a negative personality. Personality like the Virat Kohli, you have seen him aggressively chasing his dream on the field. He's very much aggressive uh, towards his goal, achieving his goal. That is called Virat Kohli. He is a person with aggressive attitude. What is a diplomatic? Dip- the person who have the tact of speaking, who use different tactics to speak, and they are personalities you have seen like Sushma Swaraj and S. Jaishankar. They are the perfect example. You have heard S. Jaishankar's interview, and in many times he used to say that like uh, like the about the West media, about the West, his relation, our relation of India with the different like Russia is very controversial, and at the same time we are friendly with America. So whenever he is asked question, he gives very tactful answer, very diplomatic. He never, he always prove his point and uh, keep his showing his diplomatic tactics. That is called diplomatic persons. What is the rebel? The person often show contrast to the norms, who often break the rules and regulations. That is called like Bhagat Singh. He rebel against the Britishers. What is an empathetic person? Who is very compassionate and sensitive about someone or any social cause or people of country, their country. That is called empathetic person, like the Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is a perfect example of empathetic personality. Who is manipulative? The person who use different tactics and tricks and tips to uh, and manipulate others to achieve their goals, like the Chanakya. These day-to-day and regular personality, you will connect these vocab very easily. Who is calm and composed? Personality like Amazoni, we can say. Personality like Amazoni is said to be very calm and composed. These type of personality are they remain relaxed even in a stressful situation. They don't get panic, they don't show their emotions very easily in the public. And who are the perfectionists? With the word perfectionist, you must have remembered Amir Khan. Amir Khan is a perfectionist. The person who strive for the perfection in their field are called the perfectionist. They set very high standard for themselves to work in their work. They want some perfection. Okay, who's the and in our day to day life we met someone who get easily offended, we and showing start showing their emotions. We said them the person is very sensitive. And who is dramatic? The person who over exaggerate situation, or like a mole, heel out of mole, where the person make राई का पहाड़ बनाता है कोई, तो हम उसे कहते हैं the person is very dramatic. Who is self-centric? Self-centric persons are egoist and egotist. Two types of person. Egoist and egotist are the egoist, like the person who is who consider himself as superior, and the egotist who like to talk about himself. These are the self-centric personality. Whenever you have to talk, you met some person and you have to explain that person how the personality is. These are the vocab. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.